Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome, it's Steve. And today I'm going to start video number 1 on some Sony a7 III settings options. And these options will probably work on many Sony Alpha cameras, maybe not the newer one, maybe starting with the Sony a7 IV. But with that being said, if you have a Sony a7 III and you're new to using it, did you know that you can adjust and change your file formats and size? And what that means is, if you're a newcomer, you might want to shoot in JPEG and just transfer your files and put them on Instagram or something. And if you're more advanced, maybe you want to shoot in RAW, so you could upload those to your computer and you could edit the picture before you convert it to a JPEG and then upload it to Instagram. So this is a lot, but it's really easy to do. So I'm going to take you over to the Sony I have right here, my a7 III, and get into the settings and show you how to adjust your file type and the file size. So let's go. This here is the easy part. All you have to do is turn on your Sony a7 III, and then once your camera is on, click on Menu. And this is literally on the first page with the camera, page 1 of 14, and it's these top 5 options right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. File format. Like I said, if you're new and you just want to shoot in JPEG so you could transfer the file to your computer and put it on Instagram, you could just shoot simply in JPEG. Those won't be big enough files to really edit professionally. If you are a professional and you want to shoot in RAW, the highest quality, so you can take it and edit it later, you just click on RAW. And that'll let you shoot in RAW, transfer the RAW file to your computer, then you could edit it and then save it as a JPEG and upload it to Instagram. Or you could shoot as both. Maybe you want to shoot a RAW and a JPEG so you could instantly upload your JPEG to Instagram, but also work on the RAW file maybe for your website. Then you would select RAW and JPEG. I always shoot in RAW. Second is, what type of RAW file do you want to shoot at? And this is simple. There's either compressed or uncompressed. I always shoot an uncompressed file that'll be larger because I always want the highest quality RAW file that I can edit. I never shoot with compressed. Now here is asking you what type of JPEG quality do you want. So if you're shooting in JPEG, do you want a standard quality file, a fine quality file, or an extra fine? I always want the highest quality of any format that I'm shooting, so I keep mine on extra fine. JPEG image size, again, you have 3 options. Do you want to shoot the smallest size JPEG, 6 megabytes? Do you want to shoot the medium size JPEG at 10 megabytes or the larger size at 24 megabytes? I, again, always shoot in the larger format. I guess it depends on how much storage you have on your phone or on your memory card or on your computer. But again, I always shoot in the largest mode. And then aspect ratio just is asking you, do you want to shoot in 3:2 or 16:9? Whenever I shoot any type of pictures, I shoot in 3:2. Whenever I shoot a picture and I want to use that picture for a thumbnail for YouTube or any upload service like that, then I will shoot in 16:9. So again, you can shoot in 16:9 as much as you want. I personally only shoot 16:9 for my thumbnails. And those are the first 5 settings that I wanted to go over with you today on the Sony a7 III settings menu. And that's as simple as it is to select whether you want to shoot in JPEG or RAW format, or JPEG and RAW, and how to select the image quality size of each of your photos. So if you shoot in RAW, you can select if you want uncompressed or compressed and the file size. If you shoot in JPEG, you can select if you want to shoot in 3 different sizes of files. Like I said, I always shoot in the highest quality format as possible because regardless of what I shoot, I just want the best picture. And I have plenty of storage space, so I don't have to worry about running out of room on my phone or on my computer. I'll just upload it to the cloud. So my suggestion to you, if you're watching, if you just got a camera and you really don't know what you're doing, it's fine to shoot in JPEG to practice. You'll save space on your memory card on your camera and wherever you store your photos, so you can take way more to practice. Once you know what you're doing and you're ready to start editing photos and pictures, then I would probably suggest shooting in RAW or RAW and JPEG. So when you're done, you can transfer your files to your computer, you can edit the RAW file, and you'll have a much better picture once you convert that RAW file to a JPEG to upload to Instagram or wherever you want to put it. So that was pretty much it. Video 1 of my Sony a7 III little tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you learned. If I wasn't clear, just leave some questions down below and let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hopefully I'll have video number 2 maybe in a day or two. We'll see how fast I can record these. Peace, guys.